Have you ever heard people say they know Poland and then realize they actually don't? Most people picture Europe as a handful of famous countries: France, Germany, Italy. But Poland? It often gets underestimated. Yet here's the twist. Poland has quietly rebuilt itself, influenced global politics, produced world-changing scientists, created gaming empires, and even surprised tourists who had completely wrong expectations. And in this video, you're going to discover 10 ways Poland shocked the world, and why it deserves way more attention than it gets. Let's get into it. Imagine losing almost your entire capital city. That's exactly what happened to Poland during World War II. Warsaw was destroyed so heavily that many areas were basically turned into rubble. But here's what surprised the world. Poland didn't just rebuild, it reconstructed its historic old town almost brick by brick, using paintings, archives, and old photographs. Today, when you walk through Warsaw's old town, it looks centuries old. But much of it is actually a careful restoration of memory. That's not just rebuilding a city, that's rebuilding identity. In the 1980s, something powerful started in Poland. The Solidarity movement. It began as a workers' union, but quickly became much more. It grew into a nationwide force that challenged the communist system and inspired resistance across Eastern Europe. And eventually, it played a major role in the collapse of communism in the region. Think about that. A movement that started in shipyards helped reshape the entire political map of Europe. That's history-changing power. Now let's fast forward to something more modern: gaming. Most people don't immediately think of Poland when they think of video games, but they should, because Poland is home to CD Projekt, the studio behind the Witcher series, one of the most respected RPG franchises in the world. And later, Cyberpunk 2077, which, despite its rocky launch, still showed Poland's massive influence in global gaming. What's surprising is this. A country once rebuilding from war became a creative powerhouse in digital entertainment. That's a huge shift in global perception. Here's a name you definitely know: Marie Curie. But what many forget is that she was born in Warsaw, Poland. She didn't just win one Nobel Prize. She won 2 Nobel Prizes in different sciences: physics and chemistry. That's like dominating 2 completely different worlds of knowledge. Her discoveries changed medicine, science, and radiation research forever. And she did it in a time when women in science were rarely recognized. Let's talk about something more relatable: food. If you've ever tried Polish cuisine, you probably know this already. It looks simple at first, but then you try it. And suddenly you're thinking, why is this so good? Especially pierogi, Poland's famous dumplings filled with potato, cheese, meat, or even fruit. They're comforting, filling, and dangerously addictive. It's the kind of food where you say, just one more. And suddenly the plate is empty. Here's something travelers don't expect. Poland doesn't feel like one uniform experience. It feels like several different worlds in one country. Warsaw is modern and fast-growing. Krakow feels historic and artistic. Gdansk feels coastal and colorful, with strong maritime energy. It's almost like switching between different European aesthetics without leaving the same country. And that surprise is what makes it so memorable. Most people talk about the Alps, but Poland has something that often gets overlooked: the Tatra Mountains. They are dramatic, beautiful, and surprisingly untouched compared to more famous European destinations. Snow-covered peaks, hiking trails, and scenic villages like Zakopane create a landscape that feels almost unreal. And the best part? It's still not overcrowded like other European hotspots. That's rare. Classical music lovers already know this name: Chopin, one of the greatest piano composers in history. His music is emotional, dramatic, and deeply expressive. But many people don't realize he was Polish. His influence shaped classical music worldwide, and his legacy still lives in concert halls everywhere. Even today, his compositions feel modern in emotion. That's timeless talent. Football in Poland isn't just a sport, it's emotion. The national team has produced world-class players and unforgettable moments that unite the country. When Poland plays, everything slows down. Bars, homes, streets, everyone is watching. It's one of those shared national experiences where the outcome feels personal for millions of people. That level of passion is hard to match. Many people arrive in Poland with low expectations. Maybe they expect something simple or old-fashioned. But then they discover something very different. Modern cities, fast internet, strong infrastructure, safe streets, vibrant nightlife, and rich culture. And that's the final surprise. Poland isn't just catching up. In many ways, it's already ahead of expectations. So here's the real question. How many of these surprised you? Because Poland isn't just a country with history. It's a country with transformation, creativity, resilience, and hidden depth. And the more you look into it, the more surprising it becomes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to The Poland for more hidden stories, facts, and deep dives about Poland that most people never hear about. Until next time.